Now let's talk about one of the most important topic of programming, the control statements. To understand, let's take an example. Here I will say int a is equal to 5 and int b is equal to 6. Now I'll say cout a is greater and cout b is greater. Now if I run this code, the execution will be line by line from top to bottom. But let's say if I want that if a is greater, then the first cout should be executed, otherwise the second cout. It means that you have to control the execution flow. Now you don't want the execution line by line. In short, when you want to control the execution flow, you use the control statements. Controlling the flow means you may skip lines or you may repeat a process. For example, you may want to execute some process 10 times. Now here, the program flow will go line by line, but when it comes to process, it should repeat the same for 10 times, and then it should move to line 3. So here also you need control statements. There are two main categories of control statements. One is decision or conditional control statements, which help to skip code lines depending on conditions, and there are two ways to implement it: if and switch case. The second is iterative statements or loop statements. These help you to repeat a process for desired number of times, and there are three ways to implement it: the do while loop, and the for loop.